ever near Jesus. Forgive me, Lord, for forgetting that your desire for my life here on earth is to be a light to those in need of love and kindness. I know I have failed and often feel so helpless to do and say what I should. I want to reflect your mind both in my decisions, my own life, and I want to be an example to others both near and far. Please help me to be more humble and not to become a hindrance or stumbling block to anyone, especially the innocent and helpless. Amen.